Hi there, it's Sue Stamp, and I am here with the new paper pumpkin. Let's see what we have this month. I'm so excited. We had beautiful sets in October and November that coordinated with each other, and I used them. The extra ones, I just finished up this week doing my wrapping of most of my presents, not all of them. And so I had some of those houses left, and I used those as tags for my presents, and they look so cute. So let me show you what we have this month. And if you recall, the Paper Pumpkin is the monthly subscription that comes to your door every month. You can subscribe monthly, or you can do it by 3 months or 6 months or a year. And right now they have a special promotion going. If you subscribe, you can get some free shipping. And you can also get points towards Celebration, which is our new catalog that has free items along with purchases based on your purchase price of either $50 or $100. So this is the Paper Pumpkin box, and the December 2023 is called All the Best. And let's see what all's in here. You always get a stamp set, and this stamp set has some nice big graphics on it, or sentiments on it, it looks like, which I like. It says, hello friend, and this says wishing you, and then you have all the best, 1,000 good luck wishes, and then some beautiful, I don't know, they look like flower seeds that you would blow on to do a wish, dandelions, I guess. So that's the stamp set. And the color of the Stampin' Spot this month is Pebbled Path. You get one every month. It's a great way to add to your stamp pad stock. And under the tissue paper, we have all the goodies. And let me set this out of the way. Look at the pretty colors. One of my favorite color combinations is yellow and light blue. And it looks like this set has a lot of that. So let's see. Oh, even the jewels are a light blue. Look at these beauties. And we have a little square of our Stampin' Dimensionals, which are our 3D adhesive spots. And you get a square like that. Look how beautiful those are. Again, let me put it against the white because it really shows it off. Isn't that pretty? There is some tear and tape. And oh yes, blue and yellow is the colors to be. Pretty. So along with the kit, you get an instruction sheet and a picture of what the finished product looked like when Stampin' Up! Created them. And it looks like there are 9 cards this month and 9 envelopes. And you can see on here the 1,000 good luck wishes, wishing you all the best, and hello friend. And inside you have a color, a color display showing the instructions where you're going to stamp at and where it gets adhered. And then in the back you have some alternatives, which I'm also going to give you some alternatives. And it shows the kit components, the supplies for the 9 cards and envelopes. And it also tells you the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors: Balmy Blue, Crushed Curry, Old Olive, Pebbled Path, and Gold. So you can add any of those colors that you have in your supplies and add those, or put those in place of the Pebbled Path, the Stampin' Spot that we got. So here are the 9 envelopes. They are beautiful. They are all the same with the yellow flower and the blue flap. And then here are the cards. And I don't know if you can see, there's some little gold flecks in here. So we have, and this is a standard A2 card, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And we have 3 of those. Ooh, and look at the pretty spots that we're gonna stamp on. There's 4 of these. Beautiful. And then the beautiful clouds. There's also 3 of those. And then here's some more spots with the gold trim. And these are the fishtail banners. And then there's circles and then a straight banner. So we have that. Oh, and look at this. The other 3 have the lighter shade around it. And I guess you're going to decorate in the middle. And then we have some gold foiled add-ons here. I bet that's for that last set. And then we have, oh, what is this? Oh, we have a box to put them in if you want to give them as a gift. And the box has a belly band that says "For You." There's 3 of the small dandelions. And then you have these beautiful yellow cutouts. And they always give you more than you need. So whenever I'm going through these, I'll save them for other cards or I'll use them in my alternatives that I'm creating. So those are the contents of the December 2023 paper pumpkin. I will come back with you and I will show you samples of the cards that Stampin' Up! Is prescribed, and then I will also show you some alternatives that I've come up with. So stay tuned and I'll be back with you soon. Thank you. Hi, it's Sue Stapp back with you for the December 2023 paper pumpkin reveal. And I wanted to first show you the cards that were made with the per the instruction sheet that came in the box. And I will show you that. First off, this is what you get. And this month it's called All the Best. And the instruction sheet opens up. It has pictures of how to do each step. And there's also some alternatives on here, along with the list of coordinating colors and all of the contents of the kit. So let me show you the 3 cards that are prescribed, and they are really pretty this month. This is the box that comes with the paper pumpkin, and it's an acrylic box that you unfold and open that has a belly band that says "For You." So this would make a nice gift. And there's 9 cards that come in the kit if you want to make them. Otherwise, you can take them apart and do some of the things like I've done. This is the first one, Hello Friend, and it has the cutouts on here around the circle. I think that's very pretty. And then this is another one. It says 1,000 good luck wishes, and it has the gold paper behind it. And the third one says wishing you all the best. And this is with the square with the gold trim on it and the flowers at the bottom. So those 3 are the ones that Stampin' Up! Or Paper Pumpkin have thought would work really well. And you can put them in this gift box. Now let me show you some of the alternative ones that I came up with using the parts from the kit and some of my scraps from my stash. This one just says Hello Friend. These little jewels came in the kit and they look really nice with as an accent. So Hello Friend, and I used one of the floral pieces. This one I used the circle and I used the 2 tags and says wishing you all the best. And that looks like an award ribbon. This one says 1,000 good luck wishes, and it has the dandelion as if it's blown and making wishes. This is another one that says 1,000 good luck wishes, and this is the paper where the square came out of that is part of the kit. And I just took those out and then I cut it and put the dandelion in the middle. This one I just said hello, and I have the 2 gold dandelions here, and I had cut strips of the dandelions there. This one is wishing you all the best, and I thought this looked nice because the background kind of looks like fluffy clouds. And here's one that says hello friend, and I use the oval punch that comes, it's called a duo, and it has a ruffly edge and a smooth edge. And then this one, I took the 3 pieces of the dandelions and wishing you all the best, and just put a strip across the top to add some interest. This one, I had a crumb cake card base that I had on my stash, so I put a blue piece on here, and I cut out the corners to imitate the square here. And this is the back side of it. The front side had the gold on it, but I had a little smudge, so I turned it over and used it this way. Wishing you all the best. And here's one that I did as a gatefold. It says hello friend, and it has the 2 flower pieces that are semi-rounds. And then this one is another one that says wishing you all the best, and just cut this out of one of our punches, and it fit in there perfectly. This one, I had a piece of pale papaya that was already embossed, and I thought, wow, actually it does kind of, there is that color in this yellow flower. So it says 1,000 good luck wishes. And I used this one with the gold, and I used Knight of Navy cardstock on this one. And I just thought I'd keep it simple, so I did a scallop edge. And this is an old punch of mine that I've had for ages, and it still works, and I just love it. It makes a dainty little scallop. So those are the alternatives that I made for you this month. I hope you enjoyed and inspired you to get creative. If you would like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin and you're not already subscribed, then you can do so on my 24/7 website, suestamp.stampinup.net. If you have difficulties or need some help, please give me an email at suestamp1@gmail.com, and I can help you get that all set up. In the meantime, we have a new catalog coming out in less than a week. And it's also time for celebration, where you can earn free goodies based on your purchases. So if you spend $50, you can pick 1 free item. And they really have some beautiful papers to choose from. That's what I went with this time, the DSP. And I just thought that they were beautiful. So if you like, you can check out that catalog online. And the celebration that starts January 3rd, I believe. So I still have some of the parts from this kit, and we always get that Stampin' Spot every month, so you get a new ink color. And then I had all these pieces that were still left, the stamp set itself, and then I have some card bases that I took apart and cut in pieces. I have another one of those gold rimmed things. These are those beautiful blue jewels, and I have another circle left and another semicircle, and not a semicircle, sorry, 2 of the flowers. And I haven't used any of my envelopes. I'll divvy up 9 of these and put the cards in the envelope. But that could also be cut up. It looks like a watercolor on the envelopes. So there's 9 envelopes too. And I will still have some of this. I saved my pieces, and I work with scraps to present alternatives. And I hope you enjoy. Again, I'm Sue Stamp. I'm your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I live in North Carolina, but I can work with you nationwide, and I'd love to earn your business. So thanks again, and happy stamping.